Hello students, today I am going to teach you assignment of second semester examination 2021 and subject is science. Now in section A, write the correct alternative from those given below each question. Number 1, what is the process of release of energy by breakdown of glucose with the help of oxygen in cell called A. Aerobic respiration, B. Anaerobic respiration, C. Nutrition, and D. Breathing. The right answer is A. Aerobic respiration. Number 2, why does a person get muscle cramps after heavy exercise? A. Rate of aerobic respiration increases in muscle. B. Muscle cell respires anaerobically, and C. Muscle cell respires aerobically as well as anaerobically, and D. Muscle cells stops respiration for some time. Right answer is B. Muscle cell respires anaerobically. Number 3, what are the substances produced during aerobic respiration? A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide and water, C. Alcohol and carbon dioxide, B. Lactic acid. Right answer is B. Carbon dioxide and water. Number 4, which of the following statements is wrong? For changes occurring during inhalation, A. Ribs move up and outwards, B. Diaphragm moves down, C. Decreases space in chest cavity, and D. Air rushes into the lungs. Right answer is C. Decreases space in chest cavity. Number 5, through which does earthworm respire? A. Moist skin, B. spiracles, C. trachea, and D. lungs. Right answer A. Moist skin. Number 6, through which does fish respire? A. spiracles, B. stomata, C. windpipe, and D. gills. Right answer is D. gills. Number 7, which gas is used by plant for respiration? A. oxygen, B. carbon dioxide, C. hydrogen, D. nitrogen. Right answer is A. oxygen. Number 7, which of the following is a function of white blood cells? Which of the following is a function of white blood cells? A. to transport nutrients to cell of body, A. to transport nutrients to cells of body, B. to transport oxygen to cells of body, C. to fight against germs that may enter our body, D. to prevent bleeding from cut by blood clotting. Right answer is C. to fight against germs that may enter our body. ये काम वाइट ब्लड सेल करते हैं, तो टू फाइट करते हैं अगेंस्ट जर्म्स दैट में एंटर आवर बॉडी. नंबर 8, विच चैम्बर ऑफ हार्ट रिसीव्स द ब्लड रिच इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स? ए. राइट एट्रियम, बी. राइट वेंट्रिकल, C. left atrium, and D. left ventricle. Right answer is A. right atrium. 9 number, in which chambers of heart have always oxygenated purified blood. 9 number, in which chambers of heart have always oxygenated purified blood? A. In right atrium and right ventricle. B. In both atria. C. In left atrium and left ventricle. D. In both ventricles. The right answer is C. In left atrium and left ventricle. Number 10. From which chamber of heart is blood pumped into lungs? A. Right ventricle. B. Left ventricle. C. Right atrium and D. Left atrium. Right answer is A. Right ventricle. Number 11. Which chamber of heart receives oxygenated blood first? A option, right atrium. B. Right ventricle. C. Left ventricle and D. Left atrium. Right answer is D. Left atrium. 12 number, in which animals is circulatory system absent? A. Birds and amphibians. D. Human and fish. C. Sponge and hydra. And D. Cockroach and earthworm. Right answer is sponge. C. Sponge and hydra. Number 13. In which organ is blood filtered and urine formed? Number 13. In which organ is blood filtered and urine formed? A. Ureter. B. Urethra. C. Kidney and D. Urinary bladder. A. Ureter. B. Urethra. C. Kidney and D. Urinary bladder. Right answer is C. Kidney. Number 14. Which type of asexual reproduction occurs in yeast? Number 14. Which type of asexual reproduction occurs in yeast? A. Budding. B. Spore formation. C. Fragmentation. D. Regeneration. Right answer is budding. Right answer is A. Budding. Number 15. Which organism reproduces by fragmentation? A. Rose. B. Spirogyra. C. Yeast and D. Fan. Right answer is B. Spirogyra. Number 16. Which type of asexual reproduction occurs in fan? A. Budding. B. Spore formation. C. Fragmentation. D. None of the given. Right answer is B. Spore formation. Number 17. In which of the following plants are unisexual flowers seen? A. Cucumber. B. Rose. C. Mustard and D. China rose. Right answer is cucumber. 18. Whose part is an anther? A. Stamen. B. Pistil. C. Petal. D. Pollen grain. Right answer is stamen. 19. Which of the following is a fleshy and juicy fruit? A. Mango. B. Pea. C. Lady's finger and D. Almond. Right answer is A. Mango. 20. The seeds of which plant are dispersed by wind? A. Drumstick. B. Maple, C. Mother, and D. All of the given. Right answer is D. All of the given. Number 21. Number 21. Which of the following is an example of the circular motion? A. Motion of a moving fan. B. Motion of a pendulum. C. Motion of a swing. D. Motion of a mosquito in air. सर्क्यूलर जो है मोशन वो है फैन की होती है, ए है. राइट आंसर इज ए. मोशन ऑफ अ मूविंग फैन. Number 22. In which device heat produced is not desirable? A. Electric iron. B. Electric water heater. C. Electric bulb, and D. room heater. Right answer is electric bulb. 23. Which of the following devices works on the principle of thermal effect of electric current? A. Electric geyser. B. Electromagnet. C. Electric switch. D. Electric bell. Right answer is electric geyser. 24. Which device from the following works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current? A. Electric heater. B. Electric stove. C. Electric iron, and D. Electric bell. Right answer is D. Electric bell. 25. On which effect of an electric current does a fuse work? A. Thermal. B. Magnetic. C. Physical, and D. Chemical. Right answer is thermal. 26 number. Which type of image is obtained in the plane mirror? A. Erect. B. Inverted. C. Real, and D. Smaller than the object. Right answer is A. Erect. 27. What is used to obtain real and magnified image of an object? A. Concave mirror, convex lens. B. Convex mirror, concave lens. C. Concave mirror, convex mirror. D. Convex lens, concave lens. Right answer is A. Concave mirror and convex lens. 28. Which types of image is formed by a convex lens? A. Real and magnified. B. Real and smaller. C. Virtual and magnified. D. All of the given. Right answer is D. All of the given. 29. With what is the image always obtained? Virtual. A. Concave mirror. B. Concave lens. C. Convex lens. D. None of the given. Right answer is B. Concave lens. 30. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. What is this referred to as? A. Water harvesting. B. Drip irrigation technique. C. Seeping of groundwater, and D. Aquifer. A. Water harvesting. B. Drip irrigation technique. C. Seeping of groundwater, and D. Aquifer. Right answer is A. Water harvesting. 31. What is the percentage of fresh water available for our use of the all water found on the earth? A 71%, B 5%, C 0.0% and D 0.006%. Right answer is D 0.006%. Number 32. How many percentage of area is under forest cover of total area in India? A 75%, B 50%, C 21%, D 10%. Right answer 21%. Number 33. Which of the following is an animal product? A gum, B rubber, C herbal medicine, D honey. Right answer is D honey. 34. What is to be done with aerator? B chlorine gas is passed in clarified water. C large objects are removed. D allowed to grow anaerobic bacteria. Right answer is air is well mixed with a clarified water. 35. Treated water is made disinfect by passing chlorine gas. Is which of the following process in WWTP? A physical, B chemical, C biological and D physiological. Right answer is chemical. 36. Which of the following is an example of better housekeeping? A cooking oil and fats thrown down the drain. B throw oil and fats in the dustbin. C after filter the tea remain waste thrown in drain. C insecticides, motor oil and medicines throw down the drain. Right answer is throw oil and fats in the dustbin. 37. Which of the following disease does not spread by contaminated water with microbes? A cholera, B typhoid, C hepatitis and D anemia. Right answer is anemia. Section B. Part 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. In cockroaches, air enters the body through spiracles. 2. During heavy exercise, we get cramps in the legs due to the accumulation of lactic acid. Number 3. Normal range of breathing rate per minute in an average adult person at rest is 15-18. A large muscular sheet called diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. Number 5. The fluid part of the blood is called plasma. Number 6. The blood vessel pulmonary vein carries oxygen-rich blood from lungs to the heart. Number 7. Doctors can get clues about the condition of our heart by listening heartbeats through a stethoscope. Number 8. Kidney is an important organ of human excretory system. Number 9. Fungi occurring on bread produces spores for asexual reproduction. Number 10. Zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes in sexual reproduction. Zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gametes in sexual reproduction. Number 11. An oval results in seed after fertilization. 12 number. Fertilization process in flowering plant occurs in ovary. Number 13. The heart of a healthy adult person throbs about 72 beats per minute. Number 14. The instrument used for measuring the distance covered by a vehicle is odometer. Number 15. In the distance time graph, time is shown on the x-axis. 16. A cyclist moving at the constant speed of 18 km per hour covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. Now section B, part 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1. We can obtain an enlarged and erect image by a convex mirror. False. 2 number. A concave lens always forms a virtual image. True. Number 3. A concave mirror always forms a real image. False. 4 number. Each and every type of mirror and lens do form virtual image. True. Number 5. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations is minimum 50 liters per person per day. True. Number 6. The continuous the continuous cycling of water in its 3 forms keeps the total amount of water on the earth constant. True. Number 6. The continuous cycling of water in its 3 forms keeps the total amount of water on the earth constant. True. Number 7. The drawing of groundwater should be increased. False. 8 number. Excessive rain cause floods in the rivers. True. Number 8. Excessive rain cause floods in the river. True. Number 9. All animals, whether the herbivorous or carnivorous, ultimately depend on plants. True. 10 number. Dead plants and animal tissues are not converted into humus by fungi and microorganisms. False. Number 11. The wide variety of animals helps the forest to regenerate and grow. The wide variety of animals helps the forest to regenerate and grow. True. Number 12. Decomposers help to provide nutrient supply to the trees of forest. True. Number 13. Mechanical filter is used to pump air in tank or a liquid. False. Number 14. Biogas production is totally an aerobic process. True. 15. activated sludge is about 97% water. True. 15. Activated sludge is about 97% water. True. Number 16. Ozone is poisonous, so can't be used to disinfect water. False. Now section C part 1 define cellular respiration का देने का है हमें. इसकी definition: the process of breakdown of glucose occurs in the cells of an organism is called cellular respiration. 2. Excretion: the process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the animals is called excretion. Number 3. Reproduction: the production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. Number 3. Reproduction: the production of new individuals from their parents is known as reproduction. Number 4. Pollination: the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of a flower is called pollination. 5. Fertilization: the process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. Number 6. Zygote: the cell which results after fusion of gametes is called a zygote. 7. Speed: the distance travelled by an object per unit time is called speed. 8. Number reflection: phenomenon of changing the direction of incident light by smooth and shining surface is called reflection of light. Number 9. Lens: a transparent material bounded on both sides by one or two spherical surfaces is called a lens. 10. Number battery: proper combination of two or more cells is called a battery. Number 11. Food chains: interdependence of animals for their nutritional need. A chain is formed called food chain. Food chains: interdependence of animals for their nutritional need. A chain is formed called food chain. Now section C part number 2. सेक्शन सी का है ये. पार्ट नंबर 2 है. आंसर दी फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन वन सेंटेंस. फॉर व्हाट डज सेल नीड एनर्जी? द परफॉर्म फंक्शंस लाइक न्यूट्रिशन, सर्कुलेशन, एक्सक्रीशन, reproduction, etc. Cell needs energy. What is called diaphragm? Diaphragm is large muscular sheet which forms the floor of the chest cavity. Number 3. What is the function of hemoglobin in blood? Answer: hemoglobin in blood combines with oxygen and transports it to all the parts of the body and ultimately to all the cells. Number 4. What is called an artery? What is called an artery? Answer. The blood vessel that carries blood from heart to all parts of the body is called an artery. Number 5. What is vegetative propagation? Answer. Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from roots, stems, leaves and buds.